In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch camera in StreamYard. Whether you're upgrading your image quality or adding a second angle for demos, this walkthrough will make it simple. Before we start, make sure your cameras are connected and any needed drivers are installed. If a camera isn't showing up later, close other apps that might be using it, like video conferencing tools, and refresh your browser. Also, be sure your browser has permission to access your camera. First, open StreamYard Studio. Log into your StreamYard account and enter your broadcast studio. This is the workspace where you control your stream, add guests, and manage your audio and video sources. If you're just setting up, you can choose a destination or start a recording-only session. Either way, the steps are the same. Now, let's switch your main camera. At the bottom of the studio, click Settings, then select Camera. You'll see a live preview and a camera drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and pick the camera you want to use. As soon as you select it, your video will switch to the new camera. Take a moment to check your framing, focus, and lighting. If your image looks soft or too dark, adjust your lighting or camera position before you go live. While you're here, you can also confirm your resolution settings to match your stream quality. If the camera you expect isn't listed, unplug and replug it, try a different USB port, or check browser permissions, then reopen the settings panel. If you want to use two cameras and switch between them during your stream, StreamYard makes that easy with an extra camera source. In the studio, click Present, then choose Extra Camera. Select your second camera device and click Share. You'll see a new camera preview appear in your backstage area. Hover over that camera preview and click Add to Stage. Now both camera feeds are available on screen, and you can switch between them or even show both at the same time using StreamYard's layouts. This is perfect for demonstrating products, showing an overhead shot while you talk to the main camera, or cutting to a close-up when needed. When you're live, you can quickly toggle between layouts or hide and show the extra camera without interrupting the stream. That's it. Log in and open your studio, pick your primary camera in Settings, and add an extra camera through Present when you need a second angle. Do a quick test recording to confirm everything looks and sounds great, and you'll be ready to stream with smooth, professional camera switches.